And we are back. Yes, it's been a while, I know. But we're back with another Cex and Charity shot hunt. We're just on the outskirts of Peterborough at the moment. I think it's still classed as Peterborough.
Yeah.
And where are we going today, Kaz?
Serpentine Green.
Serpentine Green, right. Well, they've got a Cex there. And that's about all they got there. But I've just round the corner from there, I found a charity shop. So we're going to go check that out. So, right, let's go see what they've got in this Serpentine Green.
Yeah.
Oh, we're at Sea Rider, but I think it's shut. Might be open. It says it's open on the door. Well, that was worth coming out of the way for. They're shut.
It was shut, yes. No one was home.
So here we are. Serpentine Green. Little tiny shopping centre. Got a Cex in here. Don't know what else they got other than a few shops you can see on the outside here. Yeah, let's go check it out. Here we are, look, Serpentine Green. Right, let's go look inside here. Look at that. It's like you see every day in the shopping centre.
No, it's not.
Right, or left. We're going right. Forget Cex, let's go book another holiday. Look at that, bargains. Right, where's Cex? I can't see it at the moment. There you go, if you're coming into this shopping centre. River Island, H. Samuels, Warren Jones, Shoe Zone, Clinton Cards. Massive Tesco's in this side. So I'm guessing Cex is going to be when you get down to the bottom there somewhere. You've got Clark's down here, Mountain Warehouse, Animal, M&S Food Store, Super Drugs at JD. And if you just spotted over here, we've found Cex literally tucked away right in the corner. Let's go look at it, see what they've got in there. Here we are, entertainment centre. What they've got there. Not much in the window, right, let's go check out inside. Let's go look for some beer. We like beer. Put this post in the way of all the beer. Anyway, I've seen this one before. Let's give that one a go. Safford blonde beer. Oh, Paulana. Paulana Vice beer, that's the one you want. Right. Don't think I'm going to show much more here. I have to pick up something and see it. So we'll go back to the hotel we're staying in tonight. And yeah.
That looks nice.
We'll check out. Kaz wants some yellow cello.
Limoncello spritz.
Yeah, okay, right. So we'll go back to the hotel and I'll show you what we picked up. Thank you for visiting. Alright, here we are in probably the biggest Premier Inn room ever. You can just about see Kaz in the background.
Hello.
Don't know if you can hear her or not, she's so far away.
I'm miles away over here on the bed.
So yeah, went to Serpentine Green, just outside of Peterborough. Yeah. I did pick up a couple of bits. I picked up one game for Cex, but I was in the M&S and I thought, you know what, we're in the hotel tonight, let's grab a couple of bits. So I picked up this Duration Session IPA at 4.5%, a snapshot. One I've never had before, never seen before. So I grabbed that. And I thought that ain't going to last me, so I picked up a 4-pack of German beers as well. They're only 330ml cans, coming in at 4.9%. But yeah, they were £6. Not bad, £1.50 a can. And then we've got some snacks. We've got some little honey roasted peanuts because they was in a 2 for £1.25 and Kaz got some crisps. Yeah. Probably munched all them already.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're all gone. So yeah, into Cex now. We picked up one game. So it weren't the biggest of CEXs. Also, that charity shop we went to was well out of the way. It was the only charity shop in the area. It said it was open online, went there, it was shut.
It was shut.
So I don't know whether they're shut because of school holidays or something, I don't know. Who knows? But I picked up one game in the CEX, and that was Gumball 3000 for £2.50. Now, if anyone remembers the old TV show, the Gumball Rally, Gumball 3000, it used to be like a endurance race basically. It was two drivers and they're travelling across Europe.
I don't remember that. What channel was that on?
Oh, quite, it was years ago.
Was it on like one of the like main channels, like 1, 2, 3 or 4?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, okay. It wasn't like on Sky, was it?
No, I don't think so.
I didn't have Sky growing up, you see.
I don't know, I'm not too sure, I can't remember. It was a long time ago. It probably still goes on now.
I don't
The
know.
Gumball 3000 or Gumball Rally.
Ah.
But yeah, so you never know. Thought I'd give it a go. Try my hands on the Gumball 3000. So yeah, that was everything that was there. I'm gonna crack some beers open in a bit and get drunk and go down and eat loads of food. But yeah, thank you all for watching. Hope you've enjoyed us being back. I know it's been a while, but yeah, we're here now. We've got a couple of trips planned, so we'll do a few videos. So yeah, thank you all for watching, everyone. Kaz is waving.
Bye for now.
Yeah, thank you all for watching, everyone. Like, subscribe, comment if you've missed us. Now we're back, you can do it again. But yeah, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Bye
Bye for now.